Back to 6 weeks ago, a student was given its cost to work for the PDF project, and then they would have sometimes to do their research record. And then I know I actually know some student or not, stuff, but most of the students, they actually did the experiment over and over again. And even yesterday at 3 a.m. I received the SH1 of the group. Okay, so today and let's get. I think this is the stage for you to show what you're actually doing.
I think because I am most of the time I am still studying at school during this time, so there are only weekends, including some holidays that are very limited, and then I will promote my experiments, and then these experiments include doing phenotypes, including the exploration of the neural mechanism later. I think the most satisfying part is that our cooperation is very smooth and we get along very well. Because during the whole experiment, we didn't have too many quarrels, and when we had different opinions about the industry, we could raise them in time, and then we could solve each other. The division of labor is, we just chose this topic together, and then this paper was written by Emma, and then it was written very well, and then this word was actually Emma, and he drew it really very well. And then these boards are the boards that the two of us completed together. In the future, I feel that we may continue to delve into this topic. But we will compare different countries, such as China and South Korea. They are all in East Asia, but there are other countries in the world that are aging, such as Japan and Germany, so we may study, for example, Germany, such as Germany, to see whether this different geopolitics will have an impact on his future pension economy, and whether different social systems will also have an impact on him. We reflect through the mirror. What was the society of the characters at that time, and what was the psychology of the characters like? And then we went to present it to reflect what our psychology was like and how we saw our shadow from them. It is because all three of us are interested in the major of law, and then including this to protect the consumer rights and interests of our middle school students, it is also a very common problem in daily life. For example, students will encounter some problems with being deceived by online shopping, so we choose this topic.
We actually started with that. It was just a simple external treatment, but it was found to be useless. So, I went to the hospital, and he told me that it was useful to eat this mineral, and then he did. So, the effectiveness of this treatment method reminds me that we should do this experiment and then help people better choose which antibiotic to choose, which drug to treat, faster, cheaper, and more to help people recover better. Based on this failure to deal with one's own injury and then associate this conclusion, I chose this experiment. Well, our project is about using the cellulose from these recycled materials like peels and thick paper to make this green plastic. Now the pollution of this plastic will be more serious.